Cambodia, Suzadai, and here we are at the Suksen Villa in Hammock, and done some hard riding over the last couple of days. Hasn't had a wash job in about 500 kilometers. But I think the new brakes are settled in and everything's working pretty good. There's a little bit of seepage. They didn't quite get the seals perfect. And I noticed a couple times where before and after the carburetor was taken off and cleaned out, there was kind of a little puddle of gas underneath the bike. Okay, we'll show you what you get for. You could have gone here and negotiated directly on the price, but I'll show you what you get for $15 a night cash. Hello.
Hello.
Don't mind the construction noise. That's pretty much everywhere. About over there. Room 11. Okay, for $15 a night, kick my boots off, you get the little fridge. I think somebody took the new sticker off and put another sticker. Amazing. And a little bit lived in, but you get wardrobe, queen size bed. The bed is a, let's say, firm American style. It's not mushy, not pillow top, but it's pretty good. And pretty clean, not clean around the edges. Building's a little bit older, but a little flat screen. And nice deck view. So we're looking at the Google map, and there's two ways to go to Sihanouk or to Kampot. And the one is backtracking all the way through Siem Reap, through Phnom Penh. Basically that is, I think, Highway 6, 5, and 4. Yeah. And that's 486 kilometers. Or for about 10 minutes less, that's hilarious, 10 minutes, which is about 9 hours and 5 minutes, you can go along the riverside, let's say, ocean side, and you take Highway 3, and I'm not sure if there's others involved besides the ominous Highway 48. And we're talking about real boonies, Cambodia. I kind of doubt if there'll be any kind of you might not find ice cream for 150 miles. you definitely won't find fast food. Maybe no toilet paper. Probably, if there is a hotel, it'll be some kind of inn that's about $8 or $10 a night. May or may not. Probably not have hot water. But, you know, I guess if you're dirty enough, that's secondary. So I'd be curious, out of all my thousands of subscribers out there, if anyone has or anyone knows of someone that has personally taken Highway 3 and Highway 48. I'd be interested to know, especially if I heard anything. Excuse me, if I heard from them, I would know it was survivable. Okay. Until next time. Yeah. For $15 a night. This is pretty good. Pretty good. I met a guy at the cafe. Incidentally, there's a pretty good cafe named Eden Cafe. Maybe 1 kilometer from here. And he's telling me about a couch surfing website. And where you can basically stay for free. So I don't know about that, but I don't know. That'd be better than $15 a night. You might meet some pretty interesting folks who would check it out. Until later, Cambodia.